Hello, hi, how are you doing? So right now it's around midnight. I just finished sharing and uploading and all that for Vlogmas 4. So now I want to start packing. Tomorrow I'm leaving Nairobi. I'm going to a totally different town from Nairobi. I might not be around for almost a week, so I'm going on a work trip and a girl needs to pack. So pack with me and let's see everything that I'll be carrying to this trip that I'll be going to. Thank you. So this is the current situation of my bed. I have some clothes I got from the dry cleaner because I didn't manage to wash all of them. One problem with this house is there's always issues with water. A girl might have to move. I don't know when, but for now that is not my major priority. So I need to work on packing. So let's start doing that right away. So far, this is what I've managed to pack. So basically here I have some jeans and t-shirts, work t-shirts and some innerwears. Yeah, so basically that's what's inside here. And then I need to pack some utilities like tissue, toothbrush, toothpaste and all that. So that I'm going to keep it in another bag. So let me work on that in a few. So far so good. This is what I have. So this will be my handbag, the bag with clothes, and this one will carry my laptop and a few other things that I'm going to be using, like soap dish, earbuds, toothpaste and all that. Yeah, so a quick update. So here I have a few snacks that I'll be of course eating during the way. I'm a foodie, so I need food. And then here I have other utilities like soap dish and all that, slippers, toothpaste. And then here I have the clothes I'll be putting on the whole week and the innerwears. Then this is going to be my handbag the whole time that I'm going to be away. So that's the current situation, and I'll be leaving in the next few hours. For now I need to catch some sleep. So that's it. That's the update I had. For now I'll just tell you bye bye. Have a good night. Talk later. Thank you.